Hi folks, Johnny here from Mullingar Nissan. Today I'm just going to give you a quick look at our 201 demo NV300. So this one is the higher spec in at the SV trim. So it does come with full-size hood caps on the outside. On the interior of the van then, it's finished to a nice standard with a touchscreen with built-in sat-nav, all your phone controls for Bluetooth. You can stream by your Bluetooth as well. And it does include cruise control with speed limiter all on the steering wheel, and it only has covered just over 2,000 kilometers on it at the moment, so nice low mileage. In the back then, it does have upgraded LED head lighting, which is a great feature especially in the dark evenings in the winter. And this one was spec'd from the factory with a second sliding door, so that would have been an optional extra at the time. This van comes with a 5-year warranty from new, so the remainder of its warranty will be there for the new owner. If you want any more information on the van or finance, figures worked out, just message us below or give us a call. Thanks.